Okay, ibigay mo na. Okay, kids ang tanong. Ayan, dito ba kayo? Bakit parang walang boy? Gusto ko yung malakas. Dito na kayo. Okay. Ayan, nakinig mo muna. Sino? Mahilig siya sumayaw. And, ayan, pili dito. Wala muna. Atras nyo na. And, ready, set. Oh, wala ko. Okay, next na live. Usap pa, backward. And, ready, set, go! Ayan, mahilig sa sports. Sino? Wala na. Ayan sa aking Tina na naman. Ayan, sino sa Janitan ang oras ang liver ng Janitan? Go! Alright, syempre ang nanalo ay si Ate sa banda. Okay, 1-0 na tayo. Sabi na daw yung mga babae. Eh, kasi talaga lalaki mabilis, magaling magpapatok ng bola. Okay! Ready? Pass the ball to number 2 and dribble behind the back, exhibition. Pass to number 3, behind the back, exhibition, pass to number 4, and dribble, pass to number 5, and exhibition, pass to number 1, and dribble, pass to number 2, and dribble, pass to number 3, and dribble, behind the back, pass to number 5, pass to number 1, and dribble, pass to number 2, and dribble, pass to number 4, behind the back, pass to number 5, dribble, pass to number 1, pass to number 5, and dribble, shoot that ball! Ayan, sabay. Okay. May magpatalo ng babae. Ready? Pass the ball to number 1 and dribble, behind the back, exhibition. Pass to number 5 and dribble, behind the back, pass to number 4 and dribble, pass to number 5, pass to number 1 and dribble, pass to number 3 and dribble, behind the back, pass to number 2 and dribble, pass to number 4, pass to number 1 and shoot that ball! Mga babae. exhibition, pass number 3. Behind the back, pass number 2. Pass number 4. Dribble, behind the back, pass number 1. And dribble, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 5. And dribble, pass number 1. And dribble, pass number 4.